Hi, Pauric here, McNally Motors. Today I want to show you around our 2020 Volkswagen Tiguan. This is the R-Line 2-litre diesel model, finished in black metallic paint. It's NC and taxed up until February 2026. It's just been serviced here at McNally Motors and it comes with 12 months warranty. Now we'll take the features the car has to offer. It's got front fog lights as standard with daytime running lights. It's got the front and rear parking sensors. It's got the 18-inch multi-spoke alloy wheels with excellent tyres all around. Got the fold-in wing mirrors, tinted privacy glass, got the electric boot, got fold down seats for additional space, keyless entry, lots of legroom in the back. It's got the ISO fix for the car seats, centre armrest and cup holders, rear climate control. It's finished in a cream and black leather interior, front armrest, electric front memory seats, electric windows and mirrors, keyless start, touchscreen radio with built-in Bluetooth, satellite navigation. It's got the reversing camera, air conditioning with dual climate control, automatic gearbox, multifunction steering wheel, a built-in radio, phone and cruise control functions, panoramic tilt and glide sunroof. There's just over 110,000 kilometers on the clock. Here at McNally Motors, we can offer a wide range of finance options on this Volkswagen that suit your needs. So please give us a call on 043 33 45621. Visit our website at www.mcnallymotors.ie where you can view this car. You can also book a test drive. Thanks for watching.